Hello my friends, welcome to writing class. In this video we are going to discuss how you are going to deal with a map in your Ielts. This question has come up recently about your Ielts writing task 1. Okay, so let's discuss what all strategies we could adopt for your Ielts, because you will be getting only less than 20 minutes, and for that 5 minutes you have to spare for your planning purpose. So how you can plan your map or whatever Ielts task 1, and how you can finish within your time limit. That's the agenda for today. So let's see here. The two maps below show road access to a city hospital in 2007 and 2020. So this is all about how you can access to a city hospital, and the map is given here. Okay, so let's see what they have mentioned about. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting and the main features and make comparisons wherever relevant. Okay, so what is important here is that you have to understand the diagram first, and then it is all about your selecting and how you report. Okay, and report what you have to report. It's about the main features and make comparisons wherever relevant. So what happens, some people when they make some effort to write this task 1, they compare almost everywhere. So that is not going to bring you any benefits. If you really want to earn good marks in your Ielts task 1, you have to compare, but it is not relevant everywhere. You have to compare where it is relevant. Okay, so let's move to the question, the map. So here in front of you is the map. So let's first see what 2007 map is about and what 2010 map is about. Okay, I hope you can see here. So in 2007 you can see the city hospital is in the ring road. You got it? In both the place the city hospital is in ring road. And then see the directions here. This is north, south, east, west directions is given over here, and this is about the bus stop, and there is a car park here, and it is for staff and public, and this is a city road. Okay, and this is the hospital road. Okay, so you can find ring road, city hospital, hospital road, car park, city road. Okay, so you got it. This is the main features. So let's see what is the real difference between 2007 and 2010. So that is very important. See, first you have to understand that city hospital is situated in ring road. It is same in 2010 and 2007. But when it comes to the hospital road, there were 6 bus stops. 6 bus stops on either side of the hospital road. But however, in your 2010 diagram, this was changed to an expansive bus station instead of 6 bus stops. Got it? And after that, this was kind of interjunctions. Okay, and there are limited access, like you can either go this way or either you can this way. That's it. Okay, there is no flexibility in your public transport. But here what happens, like this is just about the roundabouts. Okay, so you can take turn wherever. This is a detour, you can take any turns anywhere. Either you can go to the hospital or the public car park, staff car park, or bus station, or even to the city road. It is accessible. So it is very important that you have to understand what the real perspective of this diagram. And the difference is about the car park. See here, there is a separate car park in 2010. Okay, that is about see, there earlier it was car park for staff and public together, they have made it. But when it comes to the public car park and staff car park, that means they have made a separate amenity for both of them. So this is the differences. You got it? So what are the three differences you can find in both the diagram? This is about like a bus stop is changed to a bus station, and there are separate car parks for both public and staff, and there is a roundabout. So this is about your map. So next is that you have to understand how you can frame your answer. For that, you need to refer to the diagram, and you have to find for if there is any kind of any form of important aspects, or there is any difference. Okay, so if you find that difference, you have to state it down, either compare it or you have to report it. That's it. Okay, so it is very important that you have to understand what this map is about. Suppose an examiner reads your essay and he just wants to make sure that your essay is understandable and the question is clearly explained, okay, in your essay or in your map. You got it. So let's move to the explanation part now. I have to explain how you are going to write this map within your 20 minutes interval. Now you have prepared for 5 minutes. That preparation is very important. And one more last thing I would like to add, that if they are given about the directions here, north, west, east and south, of course it is good that if you can use in your Ielts writing, so that is going to give you more marks. And when it comes to your Ielts writing, it is all about on 4 aspects. They are going to discuss this your I mean the bands. Okay, so you have to have some idea that what you have written or what you are going to write. Okay, so the examiner when reads it, he should have to understand your essay better, and you have enough vocabulary, I mean lexical resources, and at least your grammar should be somewhat better. There should not be more mistakes, and of course you have to make it in within 150. It should not be less than, of course it should never be less than 150 words. It should be at least for 150 words. Okay, and if it is more than that, it is okay, no problem. Okay, got it. And now what we have to do is that we are going to write an essay with this. So first we have to write down all the points. So what I am going to write is first here is that the map, 2 maps are there. Okay, the maps depicts the access to a city hospital, road over 3 years from 2007. So see the first one, the map depicts or explains the access to a city hospital road over 3 years from 2007. So it is not exactly you have to paraphrase the things, but of course you can paraphrase it according to your wish. And so this is about our first paragraph. And the second paragraph is that next we can say about the 3 significant changes. Okay, so next paragraph you can write about the 3 significant changes, what the changes were. Okay, so I have explained that the significant changes were about 2 whereabouts, 2 roundabouts and car park and bus station. Okay, these 3 things were introduced into the 2010 diagram. So these should be there, and once you are done this, you are going to write about the changes mainly happened in on your 3rd paragraph 2007 and on your 4th paragraph 2010. And most importantly, you don't need any conclusion. Okay, conclusion. So when it comes to the 2007, you have to exactly explain what all the changes you can see here. So you can say that in 2007, the city hospital was located inside the ring road, okay, and a single entrance towards the hospital. Earlier, there was only a single entrance to the hospital. So I can say first. After that, I can say that the narrow hospital road, okay, leads to an interjunction with the city road. So there is an interjunction with the city road, okay, and with a combined parking facility for staff and public. So three things I have mentioned here. The hospital is located inside the ring road with a single entrance to the hospital and with a narrow passage